I'm going to install a soft roll-up tonneau cover on my Ridgeline. LED Kingdom US sent me this tonneau cover to give it a try and see what it looks like here. Get it unboxed.
Ooh.
Okay. All right, let's take a look here. It looks like we have a seal. Comes with an LED light. What do you have, Chloe?
Truck tonneau cover accessories.
Perfect.
Oh,
let's take a look and see what's in it. Like some brackets. Yep.
Ooh, metal. They look like stairs.
Yep. Some hardware.
I like
Comes with
metal.
an Allen head or Allen wrench. And then we have, so this is going to be the actual cover.
And there's another thing underneath.
Here. And then we have like the rails. Cool. It's like these, probably the side rails.
Whoa, Velcro.
We'll get these opened up here.
Oh. That probably helps.
Yeah. It's not very sure. I might be able to just pop it. There we go.
Ooh.
All right, so.
It looks like a nose.
Go ahead and put that away. Slide that down.
How? Oh.
Yep, push it down. Keep going. There you go. Okay. All right.
Safety
Let's get the
first.
Yep, safety first. We'll get the box out of the way here. All right, let's take a look at the instructions here. It's like put the seal up top and then place cover assembly. And we have some brackets. And then it's pretty simple. So we'll go through here and get this figured out as we go. Cool. The first step is put the seal on here. We'll go ahead and put the seal up there. Right up here, Chloe. Go ahead and line that up there. We'll see how long it is. It looks like it's a little long, so that's good. Extra. We'll cut it off when we're done. Okay. And this is double-sided taped, so we could peel this and we'll stick it on there. So we'll go ahead and do that and be right back.
Okay, so we got the seal on, and now we're gonna put on these brackets.
Okay, so first thing you got to do here is remove the factory 6 screws. So Chloe's going to go ahead and take this one out. I already took most of them out, so I loosened them.
Is this in reverse?
It should be. Try it. You can probably take it out.
Oh yeah, that's in
perfect.
Reverse.
So just pull the 6 screws out. So now we're going to go ahead and stick the brackets on. So we got up the screw out, put the bracket down, and screw it in there. Okay, so let me get you another bracket, Chloe. Go ahead, Chloe.
All right, so it's like this?
Yep. Stick it up there, and she's just gonna kind of finger tighten it. I'm not gonna do anything super tight quite yet. Perfect.
It's crooked.
That's okay. We'll adjust it when we go to tighten everything down, and then we'll do this back one here next. Just gonna go and put that one on. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. And then we'll be back. Chloe got the brackets on there. There's 6 of them. They're not quite tight yet. We're going to wait to tighten them down till the end. Now we're going to take the actual roll-up tonneau cover and stick it back here like so. I'll grab the camera here and show you what we're going to do next here. Okay, so we got the roll-up cover there. Next, we need to put the rails on. So the rails go on a certain direction. So there's a notch right here, which will go toward the back of the bed. So this one is backwards. So this one's going to go on the left. This one's going to go on the right. And then the Velcro strip is going to be on the outside. So we're going to take that. We're going to stick it up on the bed rail here. And then you want to take the end of the bed rail and slide it in just like so. Chloe just slid it right in there. There's a little channel in there. I'll show you guys on the other side. But we'll slide that in. For now, this is temporary. Okay, so this side I'll show you a little bit closer. Chloe's going to come help me on this side. It slides in this notch right here. So that spot there goes in right here. So we'll get Chloe to slide that unit in there. Show you guys.
Just the right way.
Yep, there you go. It can be, oh, we got to loosen that little screw. So that screw, we need to loosen that a bit. Otherwise it won't slide in. And then I assume later we'll have to tighten that. Give me a second, I'll loosen that up and be back. All right, we loosened that little screw so now it won't block. Chloe's going to go ahead and slide it in there. It is a little tricky at first, but you just got to line up the edge and then it slides right in like so.
Got it.
Boom. So now we got that slid in and we'll go on to the next direction. So to get this lined up, I rolled the tonneau cover up a little or out, and then I pushed this back as far as I could here. So it's even on both sides. That way when I connect these brackets, the back is in the appropriate place. All right, we got brackets. We slid the rails on. Next, we're gonna go ahead and they put on these little brackets here. And it only goes on one way here. I'll zoom in on Chloe. So can you show them how it goes on again, Chloe?
So it's like this.
Yep. And it pops in there. And then I'm gonna go help her. I'm gonna push down on it because there is a seal on here and it's kind of thick. So she's gonna go and screw that in. And you know, I'm not sure. We might have to adjust this way or that way. So we're gonna kind of just do them a little bit tight, not super tight. And at the very end, once we unroll the actual cover, we'll go ahead and tighten everything down once it's all lined up where we want it. So she's got that one done. Yep, that looks good. We'll move on to this one. She's gonna tighten that one down.
Oh wait, I might need a screw.
Yeah. And these, the hardware was provided, and an Allen wrench was also provided. If you don't have any tools, fine. You do need a bit to take out the ones for the other bracket, the factory ones. The factory bit is a T30. Yeah. I'll kind of hold that down. She tightens it here. Teamwork. And then that one's probably good, Chloe. And then we'll do this last one here. That one's a little further in. Same thing though. Repeat. And then we'll do this on the other side also. Same process. And then it's almost done, I think. To read the directions, but I'm pretty sure that's about it. After we tighten this down, we'll unroll it. Right on. So those are on there, and they're, you know, pretty tight. Nothing extreme.
Nice and secure.
Secure. And let's grab these directions here. See what we have left. Always tightening that other side up.
Okay.
That we did the brackets. We did this. Now we are going to unroll it. And we'll clamp it in, and then we're done. Cool. Let's try it out. We'll tighten everything down once we're done testing it. So, alrighty. Do you want to hop out, or you want to stay in there? And maybe grab that side, and we'll unroll it.
All right.
We pull up on it, Cole.
Blocking.
There you go. Stretch it out. Okay. And then I think what you want to do when you get to the end here, you just, let me get that on video here. Okay.
Wait, what's that?
So at the end, I'm gonna watch out, sweet pea. Okay. You want to line this up with that little piece there on both sides. And then you push down. Ooh, and it makes it really tight.
Finished product.
So there is the Velcro on the sides. You probably kind of want to push it down a little bit. There it is. It's pretty sturdy. There's 1, 2, 3 bars in there. Kind of hold it in place. I'll pop the tailgate open and show you guys that.
It's very bouncy.
Yep, it is a soft top.
All right, so here's how it looks inside. And this is how you release it. You just pull on that. And then you can like unfold it and stuff.
And just roll it up. And this is one of the bars that are in there, so it kind of helps give it a little rigidity. There's a clamp here.
Clamp.
Clamp it up on both sides.
All right. Clamp. Let's clamp it up.
Clip it into place here. Like so.
Tighten it.
Yep, you can loosen that or tighten that wherever you want it. So, and then it just kind of rolls up. So it's pretty nice quality. I definitely would recommend it. As far as installing, it was super simple. Chloe and I both did it. I don't know, maybe it took us 20 minutes maybe. Not too bad. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and tighten the rest of this stuff up and go from there. The top itself is really good quality. It feels really thick.
It's like thick rubber.
Yep, kind of like rubbery.
Good quality.
I don't feel like it's gonna leak because the top goes over here and then the Velcro. And then you got access to your whole bed.
Uh-huh.
It does sit up a little bit. It's not, flush, but that's all right. So why don't we show them one more time, Chloe, how to unroll it?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and unclip it. There we go.
Right.
All right. And you definitely could easily do this by yourself. We're just doing it together here.
But 2 is better.
2 is better. Take the clip part. Can you clip yours in, Claw? Right there. I think we need to go out a little bit on it. Go ahead and push it in.
Oh,
Yep, you put it in. We'll have to adjust that a
can't
touch.
see.
Okay, ready? Watch your fingers. Okay.
I got it.
Like so. And then you just pull it. Get this back in. It's hard to do one. There we go. Okay, push it down. Kind of snaps in place. Run your hand over the Velcro. Good. And
go to
voila.
Tonneau.
That's it. Pretty simple. Looks really good.
Whoa. Okay.
Cool. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
The last step here, we're going to go ahead and snug down everything because we're happy with where the location of the rails are. Just to finish it all off, make sure everything's tight, and we're good to go. Chloe helped out a lot today.
I did. So here's how you use it. So, let's try to take a look. Oh, there we go.
It's tight.
So,
Chloe's showing Stacy how to pull it up.
so what you do, just pull on that, which releases it, and then you can pull that out and just roll it up. You almost got it? Come on. Yay. And then we pull it down and make sure the Velcro sealed.
I just kind of run your hand across there. It's hot. Bam. What do you think? All right, so I got that soft tonneau cover sent to me to try for free. So I'm going to give that one a try. I took my 3-fold hard one off, which I really like. You guys saw the other video. I don't know, maybe you have. I did another YouTube video. I'll put a link in the description of me installing the hardtop 3-fold one. Chloe and I did that. So I'm going to use this one maybe for a month or so, and then I will let you guys know which one I like better or what features I like from the soft top one to the hard top one. So I think they're going to both have different advantages. So we'll give it a try. I think my first opinion, if you have like a motorcycle or something that you load all the time, you're probably going to want the soft one because you can take it and roll it all the way to the end. The hard top one, you fold it twice and then it goes to here. But with the hard top one, it takes about 2 total minutes and you can take the whole thing off and set it in your garage like I just did to use the entire bed also. So, and I lift the hard top off by myself. It's not that heavy. So
they're both good.
They're both good. We'll give you guys our opinions in a month or so.
Yay.
Thanks for watching.